Alright, I got a little trouble here with my camera, so after 5 minutes it was like, nah, I don't wanna. So we are at Corbin's, no, Rami's Corbin. Oh yeah, hi, Panda-Frog here. So we're at Rami's Corbin and we're trying to get in here. I want to do one real try before I send it off. I didn't have much time with it, so let's see if I can get in here or not. I would be happy with a fourth set. So the ball bearings are really annoying. I'm sorry. I would be happy with the fourth set. Let's try a little more tension. Let's see what happens. Okay, I can ignore the ball bearing because I could just... Maybe I have to push in the ball bearing completely, I don't know. Let me see if I have a tool which I can use for that. Yeah, it's not that. No, I believe it's overset, but I can see the other pins now. So as I see it, it's only the first one with a ball bearing, and it's a little annoying. I haven't even set a pin. No clickety click. Ah, damn it. I think the tension is not perfect. The tension tool I use. It might be too soft. Let's see what we got here. It might even work. I don't know. Nope. That's not good. It's not good enough for me. It's too soft. I modified this a little. See, the last time my camera stopped at 5 minutes, I'm already there now. I gotta keep an eye on it. But I'm actually not happy with this tensioning here. Let's get a bar or something, a Z-bar. Good thing we got options. Quite some options. It's always good to have options. I got there's a big one. Does that fit? No, it does not. Of course not. Why should it fit? No, it does not fit. Oh, God damn it. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit at all. Put like 2? Nope, cannot. Cannot do that. We have a... No, it's not enough. It's too big again. So, I don't know what to use tension this thing. It might work. I'm getting a little clicky there. I also got a click on the, what is it, 6 pin. Now the spring is there. Got a click there. Nothing on 4, 3. Going back to 6, I believe. I'll use a deeper hook. And do get some clicks out of the last one. Let me release it and see how it sounds. Yeah, it was just 1 pin, I said. So the most I had was like 2 or 3 pins set. Let's get some more tension on it. Yeah, it's not gonna work, I believe. A little more. Let me try something else. Let me see if we can rake a couple pins in position. Might even work. Nope. Okay, so we are still working on the carbon. Kind of running out of ideas by now. The ball bearing is annoying, but not the problem, I believe. Trying to feel something here, but I cannot. Well, I will stop at like 15 minutes. That's enough for this video to show you that I failed Brahms carbon. But it was still fun to try it, and it's a beautiful lock. If anybody wants to be nice to me and send me a stock carbon like this one, I would very appreciate that. And I got something nice that's coming my way right now, which I will use for quite some giveaways, and I would be willing to send something back for a nice carbon like this one. But it has to look like this one. It has to be the US and the carbon in the back, something like this. That would be highly appreciated. So if you're interested, just hit me up on my mail or Discord or whatever, and I will be there, and I would really appreciate that, I have to say. Well, I guess this is not my skill level. After all, I'm only blue right now, but I'm having trouble picking stuff at the moment, and I don't know. I'm still working on a medical for my purple belt, and I can't seem to get this one working. I'm setting something. Let me try this again. And then go in and feel what I have done. This is serration. Sounds like it, at least. Would be interesting if they had a serration pin. Serrated pin. Well, anyways, I don't want to bore you with my stupid picking abilities. I just want to show you the carbon again. I will send this off tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll probably release this video just next week. So this is a beautiful look. If anybody has one of those and stock lock with key, I would willing to trade something in for that. I need one of those in my life. Alright. That's it. Thank you for watching. Sorry that I couldn't get this one, but I will send it off to Coxie, and he will have some fun with it. And yes, that's it from me. Thank you. If you want to get in on the action on the carbon, just hit up Coxie next, or the guy who has it. Anyways, alright. That's it for me. Bye bye. See you next time.